broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, when broken-hearted me, and I never felt so down, you know. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Thank you.
Yeah.
You know, I never opened the show hardly ever, and I thought, I'm just going to open it this week. I thought it was kind of fun. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Of course, you're watching Carmine's Country Corner. We've been doing this almost 5 years, Paul.
Unbelievable.
Gary, can you believe it? You started with us 5 years ago.
I was 21.
I know, we were just babies. Just kids, didn't even know what we were doing. Now we're good. We got good after 5 years.
We're good.
We're good now. We can quit doing the show.
I got it figured out.
We have kind of a special person here this week. She comes most every week, but this is extra special because this week was her 90th birthday.
Get out of here.
And this is Dr. Kathy. I'm talking about her all the time. And I understand the other night, what club were you at when they gave you this beautiful party?
Smokehouse.
The Smoke. Well, that's a classy joint. They don't even let me in there, I don't think, without an ID or something. Really? How'd you get in there? You must know people.
I do.
So you had a party there for your 90th.
They had a party.
They had a party for you.
I had friends that invited me, and then other people.
Of course. Yeah, once the word got out, you're not going to stop them from
And the
coming.
manager gave me 4 big hugs.
Oh, God bless you. Well, so she's kind of a special person this week because what's kind of so this is kind of like the Carmine Country Corner Kathy 90th birthday show.
Very good.
So we're going to dedicate the show to her, and of course a very close friend. I think they're almost sisters. Dr. Teresa, who from time to time will get up and do a song with us and have some fun.
Hey, wait a minute, didn't they have that soap opera called The Doctors?
Yeah. Yeah,
That's
that's what I feel like. Oh, we got two doctors in the house, you know.
veterinarians or?
Anyway, well, God bless you, Kathy. You look great.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're doing so well. And we have Nellie. And Nellie's got those fancy boots on again.
I love those boots.
Nellie, walk up here real quick. Hey, Kim, don't even get a shot of her face, even though she's beautiful. Just show the boots. Come on up. We got, no, show the whole thing. And we got Dottie the dog. And Nellie was kind of one of the dance instructors over at Viva Cantina for a while when they were running hot, all that line dance and stuff. She was one of the main guys.
These boots are made for
Anyway.
walking.
All right, so we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Paul's going to start the show again and get it going. And Paul, you got the mic.
Oh, great. Yeah. Hey, you know, Gary insisted that I do this song.
Yes.
So I'm
Then
going
I
to do
want
it.
to do it.
Because, you know, when Gary makes a request,
Yeah, we don't
Man.
we do it.
key of D, dog, Amarillo by morning.
Good song.
Amarillo by morning, up from San Antone. Everything that I got is just That's such a beautiful line,
He
isn't it?
made me stop playing it.
All right.
Oh, Bob!
Hey, Bob.
You know, with the bright lights, I couldn't see who you were.
Bob Smith Toyota, we give them away, but our wives won't let us.
That's right. A little bit, I'll tell you a little bit about Bob Pelly and how far back we go.
All right.
Many, many years. Good to see you, Bob. God bless you. Great guy. All right, what do you got, Swan?
Did he come bearing gifts?
He just came bringing love, and that's all we need around here.
Okay.
Do a song.
Maybe for you, but hey.
Little douche cool.
You don't know what I like. I'm gonna try to do one I've never done.
Good.
On the road again.
TV?
See.
See, that's even better. Now I hate it more.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I'm changing the key because I'm gonna try to co-write it.
I think that'll work. You got it.
One, two, one.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a band that gets its wiggle down the highway. It's the friends and life that you keep on turning our way, turning our way. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Oh, baby. Road again, like a band that gets its wiggle down the highway. It's the friends and life that seems to keep on turning our way, turning our way. On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Oh, I can't wait to get on the road again. I can't wait to get on the
That's how I think you should have ended it.
road again.
On the road again, TSC, I love it.
Yes,
Good song, good
sirree.
song.
That worked.
Missing that one chord. You said that was a D minor after the E?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'll play next time.
Yes.
Ain't no need to get fancy.
Well, I didn't play anything then. I just kind of went from the E to nothing and then to the F. There was nothing between the E and the F because I
It's just space, man.
wasn't sure.
Just space. It's
Well,
Anyway, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. I got my good friend Bob Pelly. I met him at at the Shell station. I hadn't seen you in a while, and then I was getting gas, and you walked out. We hugged each other, and I think I said, "I'm really running late. I'm sorry. I'll talk to you later." I'm glad you showed up. So we'll get to visit a little bit. That's fabulous.
Keep tabs on you.
Yeah.
Somebody's.
Are you still singing? Do you want to sing anything?
Not today.
Not today. If you do it tomorrow, it'll be too late. Okay, well,
Next week.
next week we'll do something. This guy makes guitars, beautiful, and he used. Well, what was the name of that thing you did with Dave Kimber? What'd you call yourselves?
Well, we started out as Maggie with MGM, and then the band broke up,
Yeah,
and we continued as Kimber Pelly.
that's how I knew you. It was
Yeah.
Kimber and Pelly. And you guys did something. Was it with Smokey the Bear or something with the state?
Give a hoot, don't pollute.
Oh, yeah.
That was them that did that.
Woodsy Owl.
Give a hoot, don't pollute. That Woodsy Owl, that was their theme song. That was their thing that they put together. Fabulous. Okay, we're up to date. Paul, what do you got?
Let's do Fraulein. Let's try
What
G.
G?
Yeah. 4/4 shuffle. 55-11. 55-11. 1, 2, a 1. I'm gonna figure it. What do you think? You just let me.
It
Okay,
reminds
well,
me of the time you couldn't remember the words
Yeah.
of the song. And then all of a sudden you remembered them.
Okay. 55-11. 1, 2. On the banks of the water lives an old German's daughter. On the banks of the old river Rhine, where I love her, I won't forget her. She is my pretty Fraulein. Fraulein, Fraulein, walk down by the river. Pretend that your hands hold mine. I'm seeing stars above you. I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fraulein. Across deep blue water. That's how the song starts.
You know what I forgot to do today? I forgot to ask Paul how his family's doing, because we check, every week I check with Paul, because I don't see him all week long. How's the lovely wife and all the babies?
Lovely wife is good. The babies are good. I think they all went to Disneyland today.
Oh,
All I can tell you is I woke up and no one was there.
were the Mickey Mouse ears gone? If they were gone, then
It
they
was all
probably
gone.
went to Disneyland.
I'm pretty
and
sure
put
that
the ears on and
They're
left.
having a time today. But I said, no, I can't come to Disneyland because I'm going to be
I
at
gotta do
Hermine's
Hermine's
Country Corner.
Man, I love that. I hope they're having as much fun as we are.
I hope so.
My God, you know. Yeah, I remember Disneyland when they used to give you the E-ticket and the A-ticket.
Oh, yeah.
Remember you'd buy the little books?
Yeah.
When you had no money, you'd buy the cheapest book you could buy. And that got you, I think, the Teacup Ride and Dumbo.
Yeah. I didn't go on
You
opening.
didn't get the big rides.
I didn't go on opening day, but I went.
Oh, I did too.
You know,
in the
within
50s.
within a month or two after.
Oh,
it
yeah,
opened. 1955.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. We got out here in 55.
Big fun.
And Knott's Berry Farm, which in fact, with a little bit of luck and a little bit of work, you might be joining me down there, I hope.
I might be a Knott's Berry farmer.
Well, I hope so. But we used to go to Knott's Berry Farm for free back in the 50s, and then Disney had just opened in 55, and I probably got there around 56.
Yeah.
You know, we may be here a year or so, and then we had to go check that out. And it was a pretty fun place in those days.
Absolutely.
I'm sure it's still just a lot of fun, too.
I think it is.
I
Can
think
you
it
guys
is,
get
too.
us some jelly?
Anyway, you know what is it? Disneyland is like $65,000 a day now, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
If you own a home, just mortgage it and then go to Disneyland.
You can get
You'll have a lot of fun.
65,000, but don't eat.
Well,
If you buy a souvenir, you better. We're looking at $100 grand.
You know, when I was in high school, my girlfriend's father worked for Disney, and he had a big job. I think he was like head of the music department.
oh,
And so.
his name wasn't Buddy Baker, was it?
No.
Okay, well, that's somebody else. Go ahead.
But
Finish the story.
but because that was a really good connection, and we spent a whole summer at Disneyland,
Oh, yeah.
just about every day.
With the e-tickets.
You know, we didn't need tickets.
Yeah.
We had the we don't need.
We had the pass.
We just and we what was that thing called that sky thing that just went across the whole park, not the monorail, but there was a thing you'd sit in, like it held
Oh, like a
four
bucket.
people, like a bucket, yeah, and it would take you over the whole park,
Uh-huh.
and we just rode back and forth and back and forth. And what
Was
a
there
summer
anything-
that was!
Was there anything going on in that bucket
Oh,
that you could
things
talk
went
about?
things went on.
Okay.
I'll
Just
I'll
be
leave it at that.
careful.
Let's leave it
It's
at
a
that.
family show.
Yeah.
Okay. Who just sang?
Freeze.
Paul.
Freeze.
Gary, do another one. Then maybe I'll freeze.
Near the closet full of dresses that I bought you. Here's the key to the new car in the drive.
do it right.
I lost you a little at the end, I'm sorry. Sounds great. We're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Hey, let's give Kathy her cake.
Okay.
Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Kathy, come on up. Please, can you make it up here? Hang on a second.
That's a good one.
So this is our good friend here at Carmine's Country Corner and my personal friend, Dr. Kathy. Come a little closer, honey. Come here. And this is, of course, most of you know, I didn't see, jeez. I hope Sue's not watching. And of course, most of you know Dr. Teresa, of course, she's always singing us. So we got this little birthday cake. Let's all sing happy birthday to Dr. Kathy. Paul, you can kick it off. What key?
Oh, gee.
G's the key.
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dr. Kathleen. Happy birthday to you.
All right, take your cake and go open it up and cut it up and have fun. Nellie, I'm sorry you didn't come up. I should have had you come up. But, next time.
Yeah.
Next time Dr.
Hang
Kathy
around,
has a
Nellie.
90th birthday party, we'll bring Nellie up with us.
Yeah.
Their boots.
Maybe it didn't even have to be her birthday.
Okay, we'll leave the gate open. I don't care about that. This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here for closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here till closing time. I got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. The atmosphere in here is just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by and see me anytime you want to. always find me here to closing time. Thank you, folks. Hey, I want to tell y'all, a lot of people have been watching the show. It keeps building slowly, but nonetheless, it's going in the right direction. If you're on Facebook, please push like and share. And if you're on YouTube watching, make sure you push subscribe. And that helps us out a little bit. And yeah, man, we got a pretty good viewing audience, Paul. Every week they look forward to doing this. And Kim, you'll rerun this at 6, right? Because we're doing it early because of my schedule over at Knott's Berry Farm.
Are you doing Instagram?
I don't know.
They kicked me off for a year.
Yeah, well, listen, I got news for you. You almost lost this gig, too.
Hey,
No, okay.
I'm crying. I'm crying. I went and bought 3 boxes of tissues today.
By the way, I love that jacket or shirt, whatever it is. I love that.
Keep calling it a shirt. It's a
It's
jacket.
like a jacket.
You've been a cowboy long enough to know cowboy.
Well, I think it
clothes.
looks. I love it.
That's fabulous.
I gotta get one of those.
Something
You look like Porter Wagner.
I know.
I know.
I love Porter.
He was a great one for suits, wasn't he, old Porter? That
wasn't.
sucker. He wrote the book on
He
nudity.
had quite a wardrobe.
He did.
Yeah, he made Nudie who
He
Nudie
wore
was.
2 or 3 different suits like that on a show. When the guest artist was on, he'd run back there and put on a brighter one, and come out with more flowers. I couldn't believe that guy. Used to love him.
How much you think his suits cost?
Pay for what?
How much you think his Porter suit
Oh,
cost?
God, thousands. I don't know.
Man, there was some
It's gotta
nice
be a lot of
suits,
money.
you know.
Let's put it this way: he paid a lot more for his suit than I paid for this shirt and this vest. I guarantee you.
No, Hank Williams, man, that's a suit right there. Hank Williams knew
Hell yeah.
you had a dress.
Yeah, Hank was
I got
cool.
I got a picture hanging on my wall of me and the band I was with and Porter.
Do you really?
I do.
Oh,
And
God.
you can't even see any of us because it's all his suit. His suit is just taking up the whole picture.
What do you got, Paul?
Oh, let's do right or wrong in the key of G, and it comes in on the E.
talk about Stump the Guitar Player, you know, and I had played that song before, but it's been a while, and I could not figure out what key you were in. I know it was you, it was my fault. We'll do it next week.
We were in all the keys.
I'll have it by then, I hope.
Can you edit that?
We were in all the keys.
We can edit my part completely out.
Fortunately, Gary knew it, so it was.
I hit a B minor once that was right, and I was listening, I got that one pretty good, but all the others were wrong.
It'd be funny,
Nice one.
they play it, and then you're gone.
Yeah.
And then they play it, and then you're gone.
I was doing the old muted no thing.
That works. None of the chords last very long, so by the time you figure
know.
out what it is,
By the time you-
it's done.
By the time you told me what the chord was, you was 3 chords ahead of me, yeah.
This is in G. I just wrote this right now, ladies and gentlemen. Well, there's a one for the money, one for the show. Get ready now. Going down. Everybody know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Put me down in my bed. My name on the plate. Doing the things I'm gonna do. Step on the blue.
Damn, that was a long, nice drum solo.
Was it?
Best drum solo ever.
Well, he plays like he's getting paid.
Yep.
That's what I like about him. Here we are at Bob's Material. Dr. Kathy, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
She comes up every weekend, rain or shine, and she comes watches the show. Kim, how's everything going? Good? Okay, we're almost done. We're going to do a couple more and get out of here. What is it? It's a little after 12, right? Okay, well. Daylight saving time.
That's right.
savings time.
I wish they would just leave it. You know,
I
what's all this
instinctively
turning
knew
the
it was
clock
that
back
today.
and playing games? You know, what's that all about? Just leave it. It works good. I think Arizona does it, right? Arizona it's there all the time. They're on daylight saving time.
Well, think of the money they save in the electricity.
What do you got, Paul?
Oh, let's do
Oh, that one. I think we got cake to get to, so let's wrap this up.
Well, I was born in the Southland, Kid G, 20 some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a free-born man. And my home was on my back. I know every inch of highway, every foot of back of the wind, I'm on a railroad track. I pick the oranges down in Florida, I pick the cotton in Alabama, I pick the walnuts up in the way I'm gone, I'm a free-born man. My home is on my back. Well, I'm every inch of highway, every foot of that goes rhythm on a railroad track. Yeah, every inch of that highway, every foot of that goes rhythm on a railroad track.
All right.
So, hey, we're gonna have this cake in about 1 minute. We're gonna do one more song and call it quits. I think we started about a quarter after, didn't we? Something like that, quarter after 11, it's quarter after 12, and daylight saving time. And I'm not at Knott's tonight, I got a night off after 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
What are you gonna do with yourself?
I might go back, just go down there and ride the roller coaster all night.
All right, I'd like to see that.
I kind of like the place.
Send me a selfie.
I gotta work tomorrow, and then I'm off. I think Tuesday, Wednesday, then it's like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's another stretch, you know. It's been a lot of fun working now. People are friendly. They're all there to have fun, and all the little babies come up in front of the stage and dance.
All right.
Oh, it's so funny. We can hardly keep playing when these little kids get out there and the different moves they got. It's amazing. They're wonderful. Hey, Dr. Kathy, say hello for me.
Hello.
There you go. You know, we take calls at Carmine's. I tell all the boys in the band, I say, you know, not in the middle of a song, but I mean, if your phone's ringing during,
Yeah.
between song, answer it. We'll stop and talk to you. It might,
I
might be
thought she was
something
gonna
good.
pull
It might be a pay gig. What?
I thought she was gonna pull a rotary phone out. That was-
Well, it could happen. She said, I remember those. But I had to wait for it to come back, remember? I hated the 9 when you had to hit a 9 because it was a long wait.
It was a
Hit
long
the 9
wait
and the
back,
wait
yeah.
went. And I like the ones and the 2s you go, it'd be right there. The other ones you're like real slow.
Spin the wheel.
Yeah, the old wheel. Sometimes your finger gets stuck in. It was, you know, they did the best they could at the time.
They did.
You know, that's what we had. That's what we had. Now it's all computer.
Remember how long the cord was to the
Oh.
telephone? Had a cord reached.
Everybody had like 25-foot cords that would go from the kitchen to the bathroom to the dining room or whatever, you know. Now my brother Lewis,
Yeah.
you know, with today's technology, he just yells at his phone, "Call Carmine," and the thing rings. And he calls it, you know, and when people call him, it's on the speaker. He don't got to pick nothing up. It's got this little thing in his ear, you know, and every once in a while he'll scratch his ear and then a fax comes out or something. It's weird. But anyway, he's good. He's good with that stuff. Swan, you want to do the closing song?
Yeah.
If you don't want to, Paul can do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay, folks, this is going to be it, and then we're going to see you next week.